Within Europe, Italy is actually well positioned. We just looked at the data this week, and Italy is part of the top 4 countries as far as LEED registration and certification. So on a second note, Italy is showing a gradual growth of LEED. So we cannot see any kind of dips. So from implementing LEED to certifying LEED, so which is great. So Italy is quite leading within the top 5 countries in Europe. One challenge all of Europe has, and that includes Italy, is that we need to tap into and take a look at the existing building market. So through LEED, with our performance platform and the performance-based approach, Italy should leverage its strength as one of the leading LEED countries to take a look and tackle the existing building markets and enhance the historical building and the old buildings. Because once the building is built, it's all life cycle, and that's the key market. 85% of all buildings are existing buildings. GBCI is a third-party verification body, so that basically provides investors this third-party approval stamp. In this position and as a global organization, we have adopted multiple benchmarks because the market needs different tools for different clients, different industries. So to start, LEED, of course, is the oldest and the one we are being known for as a LEED verification body. The other one really increasing, getting traction, is the WELL building standard from the International Building Institute, which is being verified by GBCI. Another one is, of course, the GRESB, also being introduced here at the Rebuild Italia. And we have other ones, for instance, for zero waste, circular economy. The next thing is TRUE, the Total Real Use Efficiency Zero Waste program. We have programs for parking structure called ParkSmart, and we have a program that addresses parks and landscape called Sites. So these are just a few. We are verifying an EDGE certification. EDGE can only be applied at emerging markets to allow an entry level for emerging countries into sustainability. The whole world talks about digitalization, building information management, reporting, and data. Yes, data are the new national resource. It's one way to express it. We have introduced the ARC performance platform because we think certification cannot be a static one-time thing. It's a good way to introduce benchmark that in new construction, but throughout the life cycle, you want to constantly verify your data. You need to have data in the first place. So data will be a key component, but it is important that we not just grab data en masse. We need to granulate the data and be able to analyze and trigger certain strategic decisions based on data analytics. So every client, developer, owner will be more and more pushed into reviewing data and analyzing them. So it will be key in the building certification system, and I think the LEED system with the ARC performance platform is well positioned to lead and transform the market.